Ever wondered how some succulents thrive and look like mini desert jewels while yours turns into mushy sadness or dries up completely? I've been there too. Succulents are supposed to be easy until you realize there's a bit more to it than just don't water them. In this episode of A to Z Flora Journey, I'll show you the exact steps to keep your succulents healthy, happy, and absolutely stunning. Let's get growing. Hey plant lovers, welcome back to A-Z Flora Journey. Today we're diving into one of the most beloved and misunderstood groups of houseplants, succulents. I personally love them for their sculptural shapes, low maintenance vibes, and how they instantly brighten up any space. But here's the thing, while they're marketed as unkillable, many of us end up struggling with shriveled leaves, rot, or zero growth. If you've ever asked yourself, why is my succulent dying? You're in the right place. Let's decode the succulent. What is a succulent? Succulents aren't just one plant. They're a category of plants that have adapted to survive in arid conditions by storing water in their thick, fleshy leaves, stems, or roots. The word succulent comes from the Latin word succus, meaning juice or sap. Some of the most common types include Echeveria sedum, Chrysilla, yes, like the jade plant, Haworthia, aloe vera, Calantio, sempervivum, hunts and chicks. Their origin varies from deserts of Africa and the Americas to mountain cliffs and coastal regions. What makes succulents so popular isn't just their look, but their resilience, variety of textures and colors, and air purifying properties. Many succulents release oxygen at night, making them perfect for bedrooms. How to care for succulents. Light requirements. Succulents thrive in bright environments. They prefer at least 6 hours of sunlight daily, which can be direct, dappled, or indirect. If your succulent's leaves begin to fade or lose their vibrant color, it may be a sign that it's not receiving enough light. Gradually increasing their exposure can help restore their health. Soil and potting mix. A well-draining soil is crucial for succulents. They require a lightweight soil mix that doesn't retain excessive moisture. Incorporating sand and perlite into standard potting soil can enhance drainage. Alternatively, using a commercial cactus or succulent mix is also effective. Choosing the right container. The choice of container plays a significant role in succulent health. Opt for pots with drainage holes to prevent water accumulation at the bottom, which can lead to root rot. Materials like terracotta or unglazed ceramic are ideal as they allow for better moisture evaporation. Watering techniques. Succulents are drought tolerant and prefer the soak and dry method. This involves thoroughly watering the soil and then allowing it to dry out completely before the next watering. Overwatering is a common mistake. It's better to underwater than overwater. During their dormant winter period, reduce watering frequency. Temperature and humidity. Succulents generally prefer warm temperatures and can tolerate dry air. However, some varieties may benefit from occasional misting or the use of a humidifier especially in extremely dry indoor environments. Ensure they are kept away from cold drafts and maintain indoor temperatures that are comfortable for humans. Fertilizing. While succulents don't require frequent fertilization, occasional feeding can promote growth. Using a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength once during the growing season, spring and summer, is sufficient. Avoid fertilizing during their dormant period in winter. Rotation and pest inspection. To ensure even growth, rotate your succulents regularly so all sides receive equal sunlight. Additionally, inspect them periodically for pests like mealybugs or aphids. Early detection and treatment can prevent infestations and keep your plants healthy. By following these care guidelines, your succulents will not only survive, but thrive, adding beauty and vitality to your indoor spaces. Common problems and solutions. 1. Root rot. Cause: overwatering, dense potting medium, or low light conditions leading to excess moisture around roots. Solution: remove the plant from its pot, trim off any mushy or blackened roots, and repot in fresh, well-draining soil. Ensure the pot has drainage holes and adjust watering habits to allow the soil to dry out between waterings. 2. Stretched or leggy growth. Cause: insufficient light, causing the plant to stretch towards a light source. Solution: move the plant to a brighter location with adequate sunlight. Consider using a grow light if natural light is limited. Prune stretched areas and propagate if desired. 3. Leaf drop. Cause: sudden environmental changes, overwatering, underwatering, or pest infestations. Solution: identify and address the underlying cause. Ensure consistent care, proper watering, and inspect for pests. 4. Brown spots. Cause: sunburn from intense direct sunlight or fungal infections. Solution: move the plant to a location with filtered sunlight. Remove affected leaves and ensure proper air circulation. 5. Brown sections. Cause: physical damage, sunburn, or fungal issues. Solution: trim damaged areas and adjust the plant's location to prevent further stress. 6. Corking. Cause: natural aging process, leading to a woody appearance at the base. Solution: this is normal and not harmful. No action needed unless accompanied by other issues. 7. Dead leaves. Cause: natural shedding of old leaves. Solution: gently remove dead leaves to improve appearance and prevent pest habitats. 8. Mushy leaves. Cause: overwatering leading to cellular breakdown. Solution: reduce watering frequency, remove affected leaves, and ensure the soil dries out between waterings. 9. Brown leaves. Cause: sunburn, overwatering, or nutrient deficiencies. Solution: adjust light exposure, watering habits, and consider fertilizing during the growing season. 10. Yellow leaves. Pause. Overwatering or poor drainage. Solution. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings and ensure the pot has adequate drainage. 11. Red leaves. Cause. Stress from intense sunlight, temperature fluctuations, or nutrient imbalances. Solution. Monitor environmental conditions and adjust as necessary. 12. Shriveling leaves. Cause. Underwatering or overwatering. Solution. Check soil moisture and adjust watering accordingly. Ensure the plant is not exposed to extreme temperatures. 13. Fungal disease. Cause. Excess moisture and poor air circulation. Solution. Remove affected areas, improve airflow, and avoid overhead watering. 14. Fungus gnats. Cause overly moist soil. Solution. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings and use sticky traps or natural predators to control adult gnats. 15. Scale insects. Cause. Pest infestation. Solution. Manually remove scales with a soft brush or cloth and treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil. 16. Mealybugs. Cause. Pest infestation. Solution. Remove mealybugs with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol and treat the plant with insecticidal. 17. No growth. Cause dormancy, insufficient light, or nutrient deficiencies. Solution. Ensure the plant receives adequate light. Consider fertilizing during the growing season and be patient during dormant periods. Potting and repotting succulents might seem like a basic step, but it's actually crucial for their long-term health. These plants don't like to sit in moist soil for long, so the type of pot and soil drainage make a huge difference. When potting a succulent for the first time, always choose a container with drainage holes. This allows excess water to escape and prevents root rot. Materials like terracotta or unglazed ceramic are excellent because they're breathable and help dry out the soil faster. Now, when should you repot a succulent? Generally, once every 12 to 24 months is ideal, or sooner if you notice. The roots are growing out of the drainage holes, the plant looks too big for the pot, the soil dries out way too quickly or holds moisture too long, the plant has stopped growing, or looks unhealthy despite good care. When repotting, gently remove the plant, knock off excess old soil, and inspect the roots. If you see any black, mushy roots, trim them with clean scissors. Let the plant air dry for a few hours before placing it into fresh, dry succulent mix. Pro tip: after repotting, don't water immediately. Let the plant rest for 3-5 days to allow root wounds to callus. Then resume your normal watering schedule. Bonus tips and decor ideas. Succulents aren't just low management spending. They're seriously stylish too. With just a little creativity, they can become centerpieces in your home or even part of your personal aesthetic. For example, succulent arrangements in shallow bowls or geometric glass terrariums can look amazing on a coffee table, bookshelf, or office desk. Combine varieties with different shapes and colors, like the blue-green of Echeveria, the red-edged Crassula, and the spiky form of Haworthia, to create a visually stunning composition. Want a boho or minimalist vibe? Use neutral-toned pots, like matte white, beige, or stoneware, and add decorative gravel or sand on top of the soil for a clean finish. You can even integrate small crystals or driftwood pieces for that dirt sand look. For seasonal fun, make succulent pumpkins in fall or plant them in wall-mounted frames for a living art piece. Some even thrive in hanging planters, especially trailing varieties like string of pearls. Remember, while design is fun, always prioritize proper drainage and light. No matter how cute the container, if there's no drainage hole, it can lead to root rot. So either drill a hole or use it only as a decorative outer cover. And there you have it, a complete, no-stress guide to understanding and caring for succulents. From potting the right way to decorating your home with their vibrant shapes and solving the most common problems, you're now ready to build your own little desert garden indoors. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to A-Z Flora Journey for more practical plant wisdom. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite succulent? Have you tried propagating one before? I'd love to hear your stories and see